Love pasta but want something fresh and green? Let's dive into a vibrant twist with pappardelle, garlic, chili, asparagus, and rocket pesto. Habanero chili. Now this is first way to cut pappardelle, and this is the second way to cut pappardelle. Olive oil, habanero, asparagus, chili oil, lime juice, green bean, pasta water, semi-dry tomato, pappardelle in, salt, now we plate up the pasta. And then the finish was pecorino cheese. So now we explain the plate. We have the pappardelle pasta mixed with pesto, jalapeno, and then semi-dry tomato. Finish it with pecorino and chili oil. Now it's your turn. Try it out and let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching Culinary Museum channel, and I will see you next time with another adventure with Culinary Museum.